My name is Darshan Ruben, and I am 10 years old from Kids Public Speaking Bangsar. I am pleased to share with you my research about airplanes. Airplane is a mode of aerial transportation. It is one of the fastest transportations in the world till now. It is mainly used to carry people and goods over long distances. Did you know that airplanes are landing proof? The first airplane, 1903 Wright Flyer, was invented by the Wright brothers. They got an idea from a bird. Airplanes operate by using aerodynamics to create lift, thrust, drag, and weight. The opposing forces balance each other. Lift equals drag. Thrust, the force that moves an airplane forward through the air. Thrust is created by a propeller or a jet engine. Did you know that the fastest passenger plane is the Boeing 747-8I? This plane is truly remarkable despite the age of the 747 platform. The 747-8I is the fastest large commercial jet in the world, with the capacity to carry nearly 500 people at speeds over 1,130 kilometers. Did you know that the largest passenger plane is the Airbus A380-800? The Airbus A380-800 remains the largest passenger aircraft in the world, symbolizing the pinnacle aviation engineering and design. Did you know that the deadliest plane crash was the KLM Flight 4805 and the Pan Am Flight 1736 in 1977? This crash remains the deadliest ever, claiming the lives of 583 people when two 747s collided on a foggy runway on the island of Tenerife in the Canary Islands. It occurred after a series of miscommunications between the two flight crews and air traffic control. In the final 8 minutes, the KLM plane initiated to take off while the Pan Am plane, unseen in the fog, was taxiing midway down the same runway. As the KLM plane began to lift the tarmac, the lower part of its fuselage struck the upper part of the fuselage of the Pan Am plane, which was in the process of turning off the runway. After Tenerife officials made sweeping changes to international airline regulations, requiring that all control towers and flight crews worldwide use standardized English phrases. Also, cockpit procedures were modified so that the hierarchy among crew members was emphasized and decision-making by mutual agreement was the rule, known in the industry as true resource management. This modus operandi is standard worldwide. I obtained the data from Wikipedia and National Geographic. Thank you.